We've talked about this project management app, and you've seen in a lot of reviews that we have this app. And can you give us just a little bit of a description of how you guys use the app and how that kind of creates a relationship with the customer?
Yeah, we've got an app builder trend that we use. What the app allows is we kind of use that for all of our communication. So messaging, emailing through that app. The site guys use it. They will write a daily log every single day. And what that daily log is basically a rundown of the events that's happened on the job that day, and also what's going to be happening the next day. The guys will also use that platform to upload all their photos. So we take photos every day of the job so you can see the progress. This allows a client to either be living there or not living there, and they can still be part of all the process and see it happening right before their eyes. The app also contains the schedule, contains important documents. So say for example, the scope, any drawings, any order forms, invoicing, so that you can have the transparency of seeing all that invoicing. We also use the app in design and pre-construction as well. The app itself will also have to-dos. So it's like a little bit of a checklist to say, hey, we need to get that order form back off you. We need you to get your Strata application in. The massive amount of benefits of using the app. And I feel like it really makes client experience go to another level because they can really get involved in the job.
What's really surprised me is that it's so easy to pick up. Anyone really picks it up, whether it's not just young people, but parents, grandparents are using it and they love it. The learning curve, I feel, is not as steep as people think. It's like once you pick it up, it's quite intuitive.
We do get a lot of really good feedback on the app. And look, effectively, if you could use something like Facebook, then you can use the app. It's really as simple as that.